Our goal when solving any equation is always going to be to get the variable by itself. So here's my variable right here. That's the x. We want the x all by itself. So we start by getting the numbers that don't have variables by themselves. So the first thing we're going to do is take whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we have to do the other. And we always do the opposite of what it says. So right here we have a -8. So the opposite of -8 is +8. So I'm going to +8 on this side, which means I have to +8 on this side. Now if you plus it on the original side, it's gone. It's 0, canceled out, goodbye, sayonara. We're left with 3x. On the other side, I have 13 plus 8, which is 21. Our second step, we got to get rid of this number in front of this variable. Anytime there's a number next to a letter, it means times. So there's really a times sign there. So after timesing is to divide. So I'm going to divide by 3 here, and I'm going to divide by 3 here. So 21 divided by 3, and because I divided by 3, it's gone on this side. Very well. We're just left with x on this side. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And that's my answer. X equals 7. Okay, our second problem is going to be 2x minus 5 equals -19. So again, it's the same concept. Our goal is to get the letter by itself. So there's the line at the equal sign. It's a minus. So what is the opposite of minus? The opposite of minus is plus. So I'm going to plus 5 to this side, which means I have to plus 5 to this side. I always do it to both sides of the equation. That gives me, these 5's are gone. Fare thee well, because -5 plus 5 is 0. And that's why we do the opposite, because it equals 0. -19 plus 5 is -14. If you don't know how to do negatives, use your calculator. This one, the 2x just comes straight down, and it's still 2x. The 5's are gone, so that's with 2x equals -14. The opposite of a number next to a letter means times. So the opposite of timesing is divide. So I'm going to divide by 2 here, and I'm going to divide by 2 here. Now you notice you can write the divide sign however makes you happy. The last one I drew it as a line. This one I drew it as a line with 2 dots. Whatever makes you happy, write the divide sign that way. These 2's are gone. We're just left with the x. -14 divided by 2 is -7. And that is how you do a two-step equation.